Who is set to become the 53rd Chief Justice of India? Correct answer is option C, Justice Surya Kant. Who won the Sastra Ramanujan Prize in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Alexander Smith. Who won the 2025 Booker Prize for his novel Flesh? Correct answer is option B, David Shalay. Who has been awarded the Ballon d'Or Award 2025 in the men's category? Correct answer is option C, Ousmane Dembele. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index, released in October 2025? Correct answer is option D, 85th rank. Which state has topped the medal tally at the first edition of Khelo India Water Sports 2025? Correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Who has become the 11th member of ASEAN in October 2025? Correct answer is option C, Timor-Leste. Who has been crowned as the 72nd Miss World 2025? Correct answer is option B, Opal Suchata Changsri, of Thailand. Which country hosted the SCO Summit 2025? Correct answer is option C, Tianjin, China. Who has been appointed as the Controller General of Accounts in 2025? Correct answer is option C, TCA Kalyani. Who has recently become the new member of BRICS New Development Bank, NDB? Correct answer is option C, Algeria. Which country topped the medal tally of Asian Para Archery Championship 2025? Correct answer is option A, China. Who has been appointed as the President-elect of the FICCI for 2025-26? Correct answer is option A, Anand Goenka. Who won the FIDE Women's Chess World Cup 2025 by defeating Koneru Hampi in the finals? Correct answer is option A, Divya Deshmukh. Who has been appointed as the next Director General of UNESCO? Correct answer is option A, Khaled El Anani. Which has become the first Indian city to install portable solar panels between railway tracks? Right answer is option C, Varanasi. Who has been given a one-year extension as the Chief of Intelligence Bureau in May 2025? Right answer is option C, Tapan Kumar Decker. Who has been awarded the Nobel Peace Prize 2025? Correct answer option C, Maria Corina Machado, of Venezuela. Who has won both the men's and women's titles in Kabaddi at the Asian Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is option B, India. What is India's rank in the Global Hunger Index 2025? Right answer is option B, 102nd rank. Which country is the host of APEC Summit 2025? Correct answer is option A, Gyeongju, South Korea. Who has been awarded the Officer of the Order of the Star of Ghana, the highest civilian honor of Ghana? Right answer option D, Narendra Modi. Which team has won the Irani Cup 2025-26? Correct answer is option B, Vidarbha. Sane Takaichi has been appointed as the first female Prime Minister of which country? Right answer is option C, Japan. Who has been appointed as the first woman Director General of Railway Protection Force? Correct answer is option C, Sonali Mishra. Who has recently won the title of CEF Under-19 Championship 2025? Correct answer is option C, India. Urjit Patel has been appointed as the Executive Director at which institution? Correct answer is option D, International Monetary Fund. Who has been selected as the torchbearer of the 2026 Winter Olympics? Correct answer is option C, Abhinav Bindra. Who has been named as the only Indian woman in Times Magazine's Woman of the Year 2025 list? Right answer, option A, Purnima Devi Barman. Which country has become the 90th state member of the International Union for Conservation of Nature? Right answer is option A, Tuvalu. Gogabeel Lake, which was recently designated as 94th Ramsar Site of India, is located in which state? Right answer is option A, Bihar. Which country honored PM Modi with the Order of the Most Ancient Welwitschia Mirabilis in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Namibia. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of IRDAI? Correct answer is option C, Ajay Seth. Where was the 2025 UNECE Regional Forum on Sustainable Development held? Correct answer is option B, Geneva, Switzerland. Manipur won Dr. B.C. Roy Trophy tournament by defeating which team? Correct answer is option C, West Bengal. India's first cheetah safari has been launched in which national park? Correct answer is option A, Kuno National Park, Madhya Pradesh. What is India's rank in the 2025 Economic Freedom Index? Correct answer is option C, 128th rank. Which country was the host of World Humanoid Robot Games 2025? Correct answer is option D, China. Gunri village has been declared as the first biodiversity heritage site of which state? Correct answer, option B, Gujarat. In which state is India's first bamboo-based refinery being set up? Correct answer is option A, Numaligarh, Assam. Who assumed charge as the 35th Director General of NCC, National Cadet Corps? Right answer is option B, Lieutenant General Virendra Vats. Which former Chief Justice of India received the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Jagdish Singh Kehar. Who has won the Oscar Award 2025 for Best Supporting Actor? Correct answer is option C, Kieran Culkin. Who were honored with the Nobel Prize in Physics 2025? Correct answer, option D, all of the above, John Clark, Michel H. Devoret and John M. Martinez. Who became the new Vice Chief of the Indian Army in August 2025? Correct answer is option D, Lieutenant General Pushpender Singh. Wakala Cliff, which was recently placed in UNESCO's tentative list of World Heritage Sites, is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. Which institution has launched the first ever India Electric Mobility Index? Correct answer is option C, Niti Aayog. Where was the COP15 of the Ramsar Convention on Wetlands held? Correct answer is option C, Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe. Who has recently become the chairman of the 23rd Law Commission? Right answer is option D, Dinesh Maheshwari. Who topped the Khelo India Para Games 2025? Correct answer is option A, Haryana. India has been elected as a member of which UN body for 2026 to 28 term? Correct answer is option D, both B and C, United Nations Human Rights Council and United Nations Economic and Social Council. Who was awarded 2025 UNESCO Guillermo Cano World Press Freedom Prize? Correct answer is option C, La Prensa, the Nicaraguan newspaper. Which country topped the medal tally at the Asian Athletics Championships 2025? Correct answer is option C, China. Raja Khas village has been declared as the first solar model village of which state? Right answer is option C, Himachal Pradesh. Which sportsperson was conferred the honorary rank of Lieutenant Colonel in the Territorial Army in October 2025? Correct answer is option B, Neeraj Chopra. Where was the 11th World Green Economy Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Dubai, UAE. Who won the men's singles title at the US Open Tennis Championships 2025? Correct answer is option A, Carlos Alcaraz. Which anti-Naxal operation was conducted on Karregutta Hill along the Chhattisgarh-Telangana border? Correct answer is option A, Operation Black Forest. Who has won the men's championship in the first Hockey India Masters Cup 2025? Correct answer is option D, Hockey Tamil Nadu. Sebastian Lecornu has been appointed as the Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option A, France. Salkham Fossil Park has been included in the tentative list of UNESCO's World Heritage Site. It is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Which medal did the Indian men's Regu team win for the first time at the Sepak Takraw World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option A, gold medal. Recently, Gokul Reservoir and Udaipur Lake of which state have been added to the list of Ramsar sites? Correct answer option C, Bihar. What is the target year set by the Health Ministry to eliminate measles and rubella in India? Correct answer is option B, 2026. Which Indian has been awarded the 2025 UNEP Young Champions of the Earth Award? Correct answer is option D, Janali Modi. Recently, the government launched the Pradhan Mantri Viksit Bharat Rozgar Yojana. Under this scheme, how much financial assistance will be provided to a youth who secures their first job in the private sector? Right answer is option C, 15,000 rupees. Who has been appointed as the Director General of ITBP in September 2025? Correct answer is option A, Praveen Kumar. Where was the World Government Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Dubai, UAE. Kabak Yano is the mountaineer from which state who has successfully summited Mount Kilimanjaro? Correct answer is option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Kamla Prashad Bisesa has been recently appointed as the new Prime Minister of which country? Right answer is option B, Trinidad and Tobago. Which country will host the 2026 Commonwealth Games? Correct answer is option A, Glasgow, Scotland. Who was conferred with the National Lata Mangeshkar Award for 2025? Correct answer is option C, Sonu Nigam. What was India's rank in the medal tally of the 2025 World Para Athletics Championships? Correct answer is option D, 10th rank. Which institution topped the NIRF overall rankings for 2025? Correct answer is option B, IIT Madras. Where was the 17th BRICS Summit 2025 held? Correct answer option B, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. What is the name of India's first fully indigenous 32-bit microprocessor launched at Semicon India 2025? Correct answer is option A, Vikram 3201. Which district has become India's first fully solar-powered district in May 2025? Correct answer is option C, Diu. Which country will host the G20 summit in 2025? Right answer is option A, South Africa. Who became the first Indian to be honored with the International Water Award 2025? Right answer is option B, Himanshu Kulkarni. Where was the foundation stone of India's first PM Mitra Park laid by Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Where was India's first green data center recently inaugurated? Correct answer is option B, Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. The book Believer's Dilemma, based on former PM Atal Bihari Vajpayee, has been authored by? Correct answer is option A, Abhishek Chaudhary. Who has been appointed as the Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Correct answer is option B, K. Sanjay Murthy. Indian Air Force has bid farewell to the MiG-21. After how many years of service was it retired? Correct answer is option C, 62 years. Who won the 13th edition of the ICC Women's World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option B, India. Which country ranked first in the recently released Global Terrorism Index 2025? Correct answer is option D, Burkina Faso. Which city was the host of the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Who has topped the Khelo India Winter Games 2025 medal tally? Correct answer is option B, Indian Army. Who has been appointed as the first Deputy Managing Director of IMF? Correct answer is option C, Dan Katz. Who recently won the 2025 British Academy Book Prize for the book, The Burning Earth? Correct answer is option B, Sunil Amrit. Who has been appointed as the President of the International Paralympic Committee? Correct answer is option C, Andrew Parsons. Who became the first woman president of the Indian Cricketers Association in October 2025? Right answer is option D, Shanta Rangaswamy. What is the name of the scheme launched to redevelop railway stations across India? Correct answer is option B, Amrit Bharat Station Scheme. Which has become the first European country to withdraw from the International Criminal Court? Correct answer is option C, Hungary. In April 2025, which country has announced to adopt green cryptocurrency to boost the economy? Correct answer is option B, Bhutan. Which protected area of Orissa has been declared the 107th National Park of India? Right answer is option C, Simlipal National Park. Which organization developed India's first indigenous multi-stage malaria vaccine, Adfalkivax? Correct answer is option B, ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research. Which state has become the first in India to implement the National E-Vidhan application program to become completely paperless? Correct answer is option C, Nagaland. Which team recently won the Ranji Trophy title by defeating Kerala? Correct answer is option B, Vidarbha. Who has been reappointed as the chairman of the Railway Board? Share your answer in the comment section and also, don't forget to share your score.